This house is very nice today. On the 25th of April 2025. Wesley Estate. This is playgrounds. This was here on Kone here. And this has the message 80394. See when this was built.
Yeah.
It's Missionsgatan 3, like I say, yeah, that's the one you mentioned.
Yeah.
Built in 1989 here, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this here. Let's try that.
Ni skulle teetpaikki vaikuttaa, että me teetpää Norseys.
I love the sound and smell here.
Same here.
Yes, it's also in Tranås. Yeah, Shelby County, Sweden. Both the Östgöta commuter trains and the Gräsötågen regional trains go here.
Yeah.
But the Gräsötågen trains are much more interesting.
Yeah.
Back to the first floor. Yeah. It's half.
Yeah.
Beautiful decoration.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching. The alarm bell is in the chat. So
That's
the corner strip. I mean,